Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with Firestore. The problem we're addressing today is related to setting up permissions for users to interact with their own documents in the database. It seems like our viewer here has been struggling with getting an error message that says missing or insufficient permissions when trying to create user accounts and documents in Firestore. Let's dive into the solution to this problem and see how we can fix it. Now let's talk about the solution to the problem at hand. The issue lies in a mismatch between the code and the security rules set up in Firestore. The code is trying to write to user's user ID, but the security rule is set up to match user's user ID. The key here is that Firestore is case sensitive, so even a small difference in the path can lead to permission errors. By aligning the paths in the code and the security rules, we can ensure that users can create, read, update, and delete their own documents without any permission issues. In summary, by paying close attention to the case sensitivity of paths in Firestore, we can resolve the permission error encountered by our viewer. It's essential to double-check the paths in both the code and the security rules to ensure they match exactly. By making this adjustment, users should be able to interact with their own documents seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Remember, a well-structured Firestore setup leads to a happy database.